Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect Binance to Google Authenticator. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, go and register if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the markets at the bottom of the screen. We have Square. We have here where you can go and buy and deposit. And we have the Discover and also the portfolio. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect Binance to Google Authenticator. So first of all, of course, as I said, you need to go and log into your Binance app. And tap on the app icon, of course. In the profile section at the top, go to security. So basically at the top, go to security. And when you're guys in the security tab, when you're there, you need to go and tap Authenticator app and then click enable. Then you'll see a QR code and set up a key. Copy the key setup. Then open your Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and tap the plus button. Choose enter a setup key, paste and copy key, enter a name for your account. Go back to Binance app and tap next to proceed. Then just verify your Google Authenticator by entering the 6-digit code generated by the app. And that's basically that. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.